Hello and welcome to CobraTransmission.com. The ATC35L Transfer Case was used in the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 BMW Series and the X1 from 2009 and up. The BMW ATC35L Bearing Kit includes a very small needle bearing, a small ball bearing, a double row plastic needle bearing, 2 thrust bearings, 2 Torrington bearings, 4 ball bearings, and the bigger of the 4 has a groove, and 2 tapered bearings. So it comes with cup and cone, and then there's 2 of those. I'll leave a link in the description to where you could see the availability, pricing, and more details about the bearing kit. If you have any questions, please let us know. Give us a big thumbs up and hope you have a great day. Bye.